This video shows how to set up kiosk mode and how it works. Kiosk mode is designed to let you use one or more devices at your locations, where site supervisors or admins securely set up the app, where the app can accept manual check-ins or scan personal QR code badges. The app also allows individuals to check out. Kiosk mode can be set with your on-site devices by using the following steps. From a web browser, use the address app.safesitecheckin.com. The kiosk mode is secured by having a site supervisor or admin sign into the app, where they should sign in by email and supply their password. You then select the site where check-ins will be recorded. You then select the type of check-ins that you want for your location. You can allow visitors without badges to manually check in. This works the same as if they were scanning a site QR code poster with their own phone, including the option to let them report injuries as part of a checkout. Badge check-in and checkout options can be set, including rapid check-in and checkout mode, which keeps the camera open between badge scans to more quickly get people through. You can also ask a visitor to report any injuries as part of a badge checkout. Note, though, that this will tie up the kiosk while the visitor answers the questions. Let's see what happens when you start the kiosk page. The kiosk page lets the visitor select their check-in method. Let's take a look first at a manual check-in. When you go through the check-in process, you'll see that all the pages contain blank information that the visitor must fill out every time they go through a check-in. This information is not remembered, so the next visitor that comes in will not see the prior visitor's information. When the visitor completes their check-in, the app will tell them that entry is granted. The page then resets for the next visitor to check in. Now let's take a look at how personal QR code check-in works. SafeSite Check-in lets you create individual user profiles. A badge is included as part of the profile. When the Badge In button is selected, the device's camera opens. The individual then holds up their QR code to the camera lens. Note that if the kiosk was set to rapid scan mode, then the kiosk would keep the camera open to scan the next badge. When the visitor taps to check out, they'll also scan their badge. If the kiosk is set up to report an injury, the user will be prompted to put in their information. If you need to change the kiosk settings, then you must re-sign into the page. To do this, click on a company logo or building icon on the top left side of the page, where you then sign in again by email to reset the page. This concludes our tutorial video. If you want to learn how QR code badges work, check out the Personal QR Codes video. And if you have any questions or issues, please reach out to our support team.